My people, my name na Dr. Toyin. Every year on April 7, the world they celebrate wetin dem dey call World Health Day. But you know wetin e mean and you know how they come bring this thing? Make you watch this video, make you find out. World Health Day, then they celebrate am around the world on that April 7 because na the day when wetin dem dey call World Health Organization or WHO dem born am for 1948. So that WHO every year dem go choose something so that dem go shine light for that thing make dem talk about am, whether na from climate change, mental health or universal health care. So this year dem dey talk about my health, my right. E mean say everybody suppose get access to services and condition wey go make health dey good. Things like clean water, safe food, healthcare when you fit buy and more. Make I give you 5 things when you go fit do to celebrate this World Health Day. 1, make you dey move. Even if na just 30 minutes every day you walk, that one go boost your mind. 2, make you dey eat better thing. Add one extra fruit or vegetable to your plate every day. 3, make you dey check in. Make you dey see say you dey okay and your neighbor dey okay because mental health e good. 4, make you stay informed. Make you dey read things wey go help you with your health. And 5, make you speak. If they get things when go improve your health, make you join your voice, make you talk about am. You see, health na im be the greatest wealth. So make we celebrate am for this World Health Day. Don't forget to share this video and subscribe to my channel. And until next time, smile because you dey healthy. Bye bye you.